Okay, now we're about to do the toughest test of all, which is going down some stairs. So here's a pan across the bay. See how it handles the colors in the distance there. Okay, and again, this is getting dark out now, and we'll so now I'm going to start going down the stairs. And I'm just walking normally here. Just going to adjust the DJI camera a bit to match. Okay. Okay, that sort of matches, I think. Alright, maybe a little bit lower. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just holding both cameras in one hand and holding the rail in the other hand. No steady cam crouch or anything like that. Although I guess I could try it. Okay, next set of stairs. I will. So you can obviously see there's a change, there's a difference in the colors. And now to me the DJI looks a lot better. So, okay, now I'm doing the steady cam crouch as I go down the stairs. Okay. Again, I'm just bending at the knees. Put this up a bit more. Okay, that sort of matches. There's a nice low view. Let's see. Yeah, very interesting how the cameras handle this. Okay, so let's go down these stairs again. Just so we can see the stairs a bit. There we go. Okay, they sort of match. Okay, so here we go down the stairs. Okay, this is the regular walk down the stairs. So again, the GoPro is on the horizon lock. DJ1 is on what they call the tilt lock. But the tilt lock, no matter how I move the camera, it always gives me the same horizontal view. So it's basically like the horizon lock. The only thing is it only keeps everything at one level. So like I said, if I had to tilt it up or something, then I have to use the toggle on the DJ1 to move it up and down. But I only use that toggle to match the GoPro. Okay. Now here I actually like the GoPro. The GoPro looks really better. Yeah, it sure does. Okay. And because of the gimbal, there's a bit of a delay as it moves around. Oh yeah, look at that. The GoPro looks way better. Okay, these are the last couple. So now I'm going to try that Steadicam crouch. Okay, this is, again, I'm just bending at the knees as I go down. See if it makes a difference. Okay. Still bending at the knees. Okay. I'm bending at the knees. Now I'm going to do a regular walk. Let's see what the difference is. So this is the regular walk. Regular walk. And there we are, going down the ramp. Get up there a bit more. Okay, yeah, you can see, looks like the white balance of the DJI is off quite a bit. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I'm just walking under the bridge. This is just a normal walk. It's a normal walk. And there's the Steadicam crouch. Just bending at the knees. Bending at the knees. very interesting how they handle the color differently at night. Okay, still bending at the knees. Okay, now I'm doing the regular walk. Okay, so I'm going to walk backwards. See what that does. Okay, so walking backwards regularly. Hope there's nobody behind me. Okay, so walking backwards. Okay, you can walk backwards with the crouch. Okay, so now I'm crouching backwards. Steady cam backward walk. Steady cam backward walk. Okay, alright, that's enough testing. So here's a view across the bay. Just going to pan across. Sort of mashed up the cameras as best I could. Just a little bit of a delay in the gimbal as I pan. Okay, and now I'm going to go down the stairs. Let's see how that compares. Okay. Let's see. Okay, holding on. Holding the rail with one hand. And holding the cameras with the other hand. I'm going to try to keep everything here as close as possible to match. Okay. I'll just turn this camera over a bit more this way. Still not the same. But the main thing is to see how it goes down these stairs here. Okay, just gonna adjust the DJI. Okay. Yeah, the field of view is so different between the two cameras. I don't know what gives. Okay. Okay. So again, I'm just going to adjust this a bit. Yeah, stupid dumb camera. It doesn't. It's not quite a match. Alright, let's see how it goes through here. Okay, well, that's good enough. That's good enough.